Hey guys, welcome back to That's How We Get It or Get Going, and today I'm back with another video. And as you can tell from the title, I'll be unboxing a new 2020 MacBook. I got it in gold, so I'm really excited because I've been waiting for it for like weeks and weeks. So it's right here. Comes in a box like this. I already ripped off my information so nobody could steal it. So let's get right into it. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, it's like floating. Y'all, I'm so excited. Oh no, woohoo. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's open it for real, Why is the Apple products so hard? Okay, so I'm gonna crack it. Oh, you pull the tab to lift it up. Yes, sir. And it also came with AirPods, but I already opened them because I couldn't wait. It has my name on them, y'all can't see it. So let's take this off. It looks like rose gold. It don't look like gold. It's so small and light. Oh my gosh. I got a MacBook. So then it just comes with a basic. This cord is short. Anyways, then the basic instructions. As y'all can tell, I never had a MacBook before, so I'm like really excited. And then this is the block. It came with gold apples. Well, gold apple signs or whatever, because like the original ones just be white. And then this is instructions that no one watched. So this is basic stuff. Let's get to the actual stuff. This is small, but anyways. Ta-da! I don't want to break it. I'm so scared. Okay. Oh my gosh, it automatically turns on. It's so cute. Look at it. But I already know I'm gonna have so much technical difficulty since I never had a MacBook. It's so cute. Okay, so right now I'll just be setting it up, like putting the language and everything. And y'all, it got Touch ID. So I'm not transferring any data because I just want to start fresh. I did not read anything, but I'm putting yes. He has to make a password and everything, so I'm gonna do that right now. I already got fingerprints all over the place. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Oh, they got Touch ID. Okay. Look how cool. Okay, we go in dark mode because why not? Ooh. Yeah, like dark. Okay, look, this is the, as soon as you open it, it's so cute. So I'm gonna be setting up my background. I'm going to change this background. I'm gonna do all type of collages and stuff. Okay, so y'all, I'm finally done customizing my computer, and this is what it looks like. So I don't have a cases yet, but if anybody out there watching and y'all know MacBook Air 13-inch, I would truly appreciate it if, you know, my birthday's coming up, you could send me a little MacBook case. Oh, and AirPod case. I would truly appreciate it. But yeah, this is it for today's video. So I just like changed my dock. My dock is at the bottom now, so I could just swipe down. Now it's at the bottom. And then I changed my accents. I don't even know what it's called. Don't even listen to me. Watch a tutorial, a better tutorial. As this, it turns pink. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys did like it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell for more notifications from me. And down below, other video ideas you guys would love to see from me. Bye, love you guys. If you guys did enjoy it, and also comment down below. Why do I look like this? And also comment down below other video. And also comment